The continuation of the last class, we discussed some problems in circles. Write a problem. The diameter of the circle nine x square plus y square is equal to 4 into x square minus y square minus 8x. First reduce this equation into standard form. 9x square plus y square is equal to 4x square minus 4y square minus 8x. Take these three terms to LHS. 9 minus 4, 5x square plus 5y square plus 8x is equal to 0. When it represents a circle, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are equal and that must be 1. So divide with 5, we get x square plus y square plus 8 by 5 into x, that is equal to 0. First we find radius. If radius is known, then we get diameter. To find radius, you compare this equation with standard form. Compare with standard form of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. On comparing, 2g is equal to 8 by 5. So g is equal to 4 by 5. Next, there is no y coefficient here. So f is equal to 0. There is no constant term. C is also 0. Now radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus g square 4 by 5 whole square 16 by 25 f0 c0. This is 4 by. If radius is 4 by 5, therefore diameter, if r is the radius, then diameter is 2r. 2 into 4 by 5, that is 8 by 5. Next, if a chord of length 2 root 2 subtends a right angle at the center of the circle, then its radius is equal. First read the problem. What is given? Chord of length 2 root 2. Draw the diagram. to this circle, it is center and it is some chord. What is the length of the chord given here? 2√2. This chord subtends a right angle at the center. Here the angle is 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees. Then find radius of the circle. It is r and it is also r. What is the length of this chord? 2√2. If this angle is right angle, then this triangle is a right angle triangle. Then ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle C. If this angle is 90, then what is the hypotenuse? AB. From Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Here AC and BC are radial. R square plus R square is equal to AB square. What is AB? 2√2. 2√2 whole square, that is 4 into 8. 2r square is equal to 8. R square is equal to 4. So R is equal to, therefore radius R is equal to next. If x comma 3 and 3 comma 5 are the ends of a diameter of a circle with center at 2 comma y, then x comma y is equal. Okay, 2 points are given. These 2 points are ends of diameter. This is called diameter. Diameter means it is a chord passing through center. What are the endpoints of diameter? X comma 3. Other end is 3 comma 5. Center is also given. Center is 2 comma 5. From this diagram, it is clear that center C is the midpoint of AB. Center C is equal to midpoint of AB. What is the center? 2 comma y. Midpoint of AB. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2. Compare x coordinates. and compare y coordinates. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to, equating y coordinates, y is equal to 8 by 2. X plus 3 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Therefore x comma y is equal to 1 comma 4. Next, if two circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2fy minus c is equal to 0 have equal radii. Equal radii, then the locus of g comma f, locus of g comma f is what is given here? Two circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 2fy minus c is equal to 0 have equal radii. First we find a radius of first circle and radius of second circle. The radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0 is, let it be r1 is equal to, what is the formula to find radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. There is no y coefficient here, f value 0 minus, next, the radius of second circle x square plus y square minus 2fy minus c is equal to 0 is r2 is equal to root of g square. Here there is no x coefficient, so g is 0, f is minus f square minus f square or f square minus c is minus c, so we get plus c. What is the formula to find radius of root of g square plus f square minus c? Here there is no x coefficient, g 0, f is minus f whole square, f square, c is minus c, minus into minus plus c. Here radius are equal, given r1 is equal to r2. Given r1 is equal to r2. Equal radii, r1 is equal to r2. What is r1? Root of g square minus c. What is r2? Root of f square plus squaring on both sides. What we get? G square minus c is equal to f square plus c. Write it as g square minus f square is equal to 2c is equal to 2c. So the locus of g comma f is in place of this g and f we write x and y. X square minus y square is equal to 2c. To find locus of any point, in that point we substitute x and y. So to find locus of g and f, in place of g and f we write x and y. Then we get x square minus y square is equal to 2c. That is the locus of that point. Next, if one end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y plus c is equal to 0 is the point minus 3 comma, then its other end is what is the given circle here? X square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y plus c is equal to 0. To this given circle, first we find center. What is the center of any circle? Minus g minus f. Okay. How to get g value and f value? Comparing this equation with x square, standard equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2g is equal to minus 8, g is equal to minus 4, 2fy, 2f is equal to minus 14, f is equal to minus 7. So center is equal to minus g 4 minus f 7. One end of diameter is given. See the diagram. Let's see with the center, and A and B are the ends of the diameter. One end is given. What is one end? Minus 3 comma. We find other end. Let the other end be P comma. Here, if A and B are ends of diameter, then midpoint of AB is equal to center C. So here center C is equal to midpoint of AB. Midpoint of what is center here? 4 comma 7. Midpoint of AB, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. P minus 3 by 2, Q plus 2 by 2. Compare x coordinates and y coordinates and find P and Q. P minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4. P minus 3 is equal to 8. P is equal to 11. Next, Q plus 2 by 2 is equal to 7. Q plus 2 is equal to 14. Q is equal to 12. Therefore, other end B is equal to 11 comma 12. Next problem. The equation of a circle passes through the point 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, whose radius is 1 unit is. Okay, circle passing through 2 points and whose radius is 1 unit. Here 4 options are given. Write the options also. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. First option. Second, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Third, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Fourth option, x square plus y square minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, that circle passing through 2 points 1 and 2 comma 1. Here by verification method, we find the suitable circle equation. Circle passing through 2 points. When a circle passing through any point, equation of the circle must satisfy that point. Okay, what is the first option here? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. We verify the options one by one. By verification, what is the first equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Substitute the point 1 comma 2 in this equation. We get 1 plus 4. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Minus 4 into 2, 8 plus 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 8 minus 7 plus 7, 0. Second point, 2 comma 1. Put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. 2 square, 4 plus 1 minus 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 into 1, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 7, that is equal to 0. So these 2 points satisfy this equation, and radius of this circle is 1. You verify this also. Radius is equal to 1. Radius. What is the formula to find radius? Root of g square plus f square minus root of, in this equation, what is g value? Minus 2. You compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. G is equal to minus 2. G square 4, f square, f is also minus 2. F square 4, c, that is 7, minus 7. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 7, 1. Root 1, 1. Radius is 1. Here, 2 points are satisfied and radius is also 1. So, option 1 is correct option. This is by verification method. If option 1 fails, then we verify second option, third option and fourth option. But by direct method also we can find this equation. That is some lengthy process. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substitute this point and this point, we get two equations. And equating radius to 1, then we get another equation. On solving those equations, we get the values of g, f, c. In that way also we can find circle equation.
What is it?
Next problem. Equation of the circle passing through origin and makes the intersects four and 6 on negative x-axis and negative y-axis. First read the problem. Equation of the circle passing through origin and making intersects 4 and 6 on negative x-axis and negative y-axis. See here, let equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. See here, this circle passing through origin. See diagram, observe the diagram clearly. Circle passing through origin and making intercept 4 and 6 on negative. Okay, negative means this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is negative side of x-axis, negative side of y-axis. On negative intercept on x-axis, the intercept is 4. 4 units on negative x-axis, 6 units on negative y-axis, and it passes through origin 0, 0. Find equation of this circle. Okay. This circle passing through origin, that means substitute the point 0, 0 in this equation. What we get? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. Since a circle passes through the origin minus origin 0, 0, then we get c is equal to 0. See here, length of intercept on x-axis. What is the formula? 2 into root of g square minus length of intercept on x-axis is 4 units. So root of g square minus c is 0. 4 by 2. Root g square is equal to, so g is equal to plus or minus, next length of intercept on y-axis. What is the formula? 2 root of f square minus length of intercept on y-axis is 6. Root of f square minus c 0 is equal to 6 by 3. Squaring on both sides, f square is equal to 9, f is equal plus or minus 3. Observe that center of this circle must lie in third quadrant. In third quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. So center is equal to x coordinate negative, y coordinate negative. Then what is the center here? Minus g minus, that is equal to minus g. Here g takes two values, plus 2 and minus 2. But the center must be negative here. So it is minus 2 and minus 3. Now find the equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx. On comparing, g is equal to 2, minus g is equal to minus 2. So g is equal to 2 plus 2gx, that means 4x plus 2fy. On comparing y coordinates, f is equal to 3 plus 6y is equal to 0. You have observed this point here. Center of this standard circle is minus g minus f. Here center lies in third quadrant. So you take center negative to x coordinate and y coordinate. So center is -2, -3. On comparing g is equal to 2, f is equal to 3, we get this equation. If this center lies in first coordinate, we take x coordinate positive and y coordinate also